Hi guys, I finally found some sugar-free chocolate chips by Hersheys. I ordered some Lilly's, but I'm too impatient to wait for it. And I'm making some chocolate chip muffins. I'm using coconut flour and I'm using puree. I think that's how you say it. This organic stevia blend. It smells a little vanilla-y, if that's a word. Heavy whipping cream and eggs. If it turns out good, here's my chocolate chips. I will link the recipe down below, but I'm excited. I've been doing this for 6 weeks and I haven't had anything really sweet like this, so hoping it turns out well. In my stand mixer, I have creamed together a stick of butter and sour cream and vanilla, and I'm going to add this flour and sugar mixture to it. And then I'm going to add 6 eggs and then heavy whipping cream and then chocolate chips. Okay, so this is what the texture looks like, and then I've already added the flour and sugar, and we're going to add the eggs. I'm also having some coffee decaf because it's late in the evening. After the 6 eggs, and this smells amazing. And now I'm going to add the heavy cream, mix that up, and then by hand it says to add the chocolate chips in. This batter looks so smooth and creamy. Now we're mixing in our chocolate chips, and this will make 12 regular sized muffins, and we're going to put it in the oven at 425 for 5 minutes and then drop it down to 350 for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I have them in the muffin tins, 12. I probably could have spread them out more, but I've never done this before, so we're just going to go with it. These have about 6 minutes left. They said to take a toothpick and insert them down in there, but it still looks doughy. Oh my gosh, these smell so good. Okay, here they are out of the oven. They look way better in person. I didn't have the little muffin paper, but I greased the tin, so hopefully they'll come out. Oh, and I should mention that these are 2 net carbs each, and I think there's like 24 grams of fat in them, so they're definitely high fat for keto. Okay, here's our muffin out of the pan. Let's taste it and see. Oh, it's amazing. It's like a cupcake. It's really good. Yeah, you guys should try this. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like inside. You see the texture? It's very light and fluffy. It's delicious. All right, guys, thanks for watching.